Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to dive deeper into SNS and we'll talk about some advanced concepts that you might encounter on the exam. So here is a scenario with a publisher who's publishing into an SNS topic, and there's a few subscribers. We've got an EC2 instance via HTTPS, Lambda functions, we've got a Kinesis data firehouse, we've got SQS and two SQS queues. So first thing I wanted to mention is the term fan out. The term fan out refers to splitting one workload into several by delivering a single message to multiple subscribers like we're doing here. So if you see it on the exam, then think about SNS. That likely might be the correct answer. Then another thing to keep in mind is that SNS is push based as opposed to SQS, which is pull based. So in SNS, when SNS needs to publish something to subscribers, it just does that to all subscribers. Subscribers don't have to do anything for it. Whereas in SQS, subscribers need to go and actively fetch messages from the queue. That's an important difference between the two. Next is filtering. So you can see here this arrow is dashed, and that is, I'm using that to represent that this SQS queue has decided not to get all messages. It's filtering to certain messages. So for example, you might be, the SNS topic might be publishing transactional data, and the SQS queue is specifically interested in a certain type of transactions. That's just one example, but basically you can filter the messages that you're subscribed to. Next one is the max message size, which is 256 kilobytes. Remember that because that can be very useful for you. It includes payload and metadata. Next is SNS also has a feature to enable delivery status. So here you can see whether a message was delivered or not for all subscribers. For example, you can't do that for emails, but you can do it for HTTP, SQS, Lambda, Kinesis, Firehose, as in this example. So that can be useful to know if the message was delivered successfully or not. The next thing is redelivery or delivery retries. So here you can see that the first message to the EC2 instance via HTTPS was not delivered, second one was not delivered, third one was delivered. So you can set up retries as well. Next important topic which to look out for on the exam is server-side encryption, or SSE. So SNS does support server-side encryption, and but this is encryption at rest. So the message comes into SNS. As soon as an SNS is received inside SNS, it is encrypted, and then it is stored in an encrypted form, and it's only decrypted just as they are delivered. So keep that in mind, server-side encryption, and that is encryption at rest. You can set up encryption in transit, but that would be like client-side encryption or using HTTPS protocols and things like that. But specifically SNS encryption is server-side encryption, and it's encryption at rest. Next one is SNS is available cross-region. As long as you set up the policies appropriately, you can deliver notifications to consumers or to subscribers in other regions, and also you can deliver notifications to subscribers in other accounts. But again, you need to set up the policies appropriately. So there we go. 9 new things about SNS, some advanced concepts which to look out for on the exam. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Here's a quick summary of what we discussed. I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.